All right, so I'm going to take you through what's I'm earning on AdSense. You understand? I mean blogging. Um, it's not that huge, but that is one of my sites. You understand? The one I'm going to show you is not that huge. I mean the earnings are not that huge, but I'm just going to show you the one that I'm not earning much. That will be the example. That will be example for this program. And I have one that I just got approved of AdSense, and that is what I'm going to be using for this tutorial. You understand? Because that one I've not done anything on it, and the CPC is very 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 low. I think it's 0.07. Understand? Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using for this tutorial. But I just want to check what I'm earning on AdSense right now. Right. Okay, uh, so this one of my sites, and let me refresh it. Some people might say that, oh, I just made the changes to the amount so that I can earn big. No, so I just refreshed it, and you can see I just refreshed it. Yesterday I was able to make $41, $41.98. So let's say $42 yesterday, and for the last 7 days I'm able to make 182.06. So you can see that we are at the fifth day of April, and as in fifth day of April, and I'm able to make $140. So imagine if on the 5th on of April, I'm able to make $140. Imagine at the end of April, you understand? And hey, imagine at the end of April how I'm going to make. You understand? So you just check. So you can see that my balance is $288. That's what I made last month, and I'm going to be paid this month. You understand? That's $288, and you can see here there's something called last payment. Yeah, last payment. You can see the last payment is $155. You understand? $155. This place, you can see that you can see the last payment here. Last payment is $255. Now $155.0. So that's what I'm making. You can see that my impressions is 624, and that was yesterday. You understand? And within last 7 days, I was able to generate traffic of 4.4K, and so 4,400. So a lot, 4,400. Let's say internet users visited my website. You understand? And with 4,400 users, only 139 clicked on my ads on my website. You understand? So what I'm going to tell you, the thing is real, guys. It's real. So you have to put on your maximum best. You have to try and follow whatever I'm going to share here. You understand? Yeah, and everything as I said earlier on is going to be free. But you know, every free we have an upgrade to it. So if you want me to teach you more than what I want you to know, then you can contact us, and then we take you through. It's very affordable. We don't charge much. At first we used to provide all this for free, but sometimes if you provide free too much, people don't take it serious. You understand? So I decided to provide the free version. And if you're interested in earning more, like what I'm earning here, then you can subscribe to the pro version, and I'm going to help you earn as I'm earning. Even if you learn well, you can be better than me. You understand? Yeah, that's all we want. We want you to be better than us. We want you to like be a testimony of whatever we are teaching. Understand? All right. So we won't talk much. I'm just going to take you through the rest of the videos, and if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe so that you receive all the videos that I'm going to be posting on this channel. So AdSense is free, so you just have to put on your maximum best, and you come with flying colors. Like you come and comment below and said, "Well, thank you, IT Wizard, and you did a marvelous job." You understand? So let me just take you the tips that you need. You need steps. You understand? So I'm going to give you everything you need to start blogging. You understand? Everything you need. So after this, then we will go into the real business. Then I'm going to give you every details of what I just highlighted just right now. I'm going to give you every detail so that you'll be familiar with it, and it's going to be practical. I'm not just going to talk, no. My next video that will come in is less talk, more action. You understand? All right, see you.